Hello, today we will guide you through how to turn off all notifications in Meta Business Suite. If you want a quieter workspace and fewer alerts coming through from Meta Business Suite, this process is simple and only takes a moment once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, we'll move directly through the notification area and show you how to access the settings that control these alerts. To begin, open Meta Business Suite. Make sure you're on the main dashboard area where you can see the standard navigation menu. This is the central place where Meta groups your business tools, messages, insights, and account activity. So it's the right starting point for changing notification preferences. Once you're inside Meta Business Suite, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click Notifications. This section is where Meta collects updates related to your account, pages, activity, and other business-related events. Opening this area gives you access not only to recent alerts, but also to the controls that determine how and when those alerts are sent. After the notification section opens, find the settings icon and click it. This icon usually appears as a small gear and is commonly used to open preference or configuration options. In this case, it will take you to the part of Meta Business Suite where notification behaviors can be adjusted. If you don't see it immediately, take a second to scan the top area of the notifications panel, since that's where settings icons are often placed. Once you're in the notification settings, turn off the sample notification by clicking the toggle button. Toggling it off disables that notification type, and this is the same action you would typically use for other notification categories in the list. A good tip here is to watch for the visual change in the switch so you can confirm it has been turned off successfully. Usually the toggle will change color or shift position to indicate that the notification is no longer active. If your goal is to reduce or fully stop alerts, this settings area is the key place to review your preferences carefully. Take your time while switching notifications off so you don't miss any categories that matter to you. That's it. You've now seen how to get to the notification controls in Meta Business Suite and how to switch a notification off from the settings area.